Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain SKRILL app review to say with what you're using. So to get started, the SKRILL app is a global digital wallet that allows users to send and receive money, make online payments, trade cryptos, and hold balance in multiple currencies. It's available in over 100 countries and support fast transfer to bank account, mobile wallet, or other SKRILL users. You can also request a SKRILL prepaid MasterCard, which lets you send your balance directly from the app. The app is sleek and user-friendly, making it easy to check balance, manage this transaction, and track currencies exchange rate in real time. On the downside, SKRILL is known for its high fee, including charge for inactivities, currency conversion, and some withdrawals. Users have also reported slow customer service, delayed transaction, and sudden account freezing during verification. While SKRILL is convenient for international transfer or online gaming payment, it's less ideal for everyday banking or long-term storage of funds. So it's worth it if you need a flexible global wallet, but use it carefully and always keep an eye on the fee. And that's it. So if you find the review a little bit helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews. And that's it.